Hey there. I've been reading a lot about the political situation in Libya recently. It's quite fascinating and complex, isn't it?
Absolutely. The political landscape in Libya has undergone significant changes over the past few years. From the ousting of Gaddafi to the current efforts to establish stability, there is so much to discuss.
Definitely. The ousting of Gaddafi in 2011 marked a turning point in Libya's history. However, it also created a power vacuum, leading to political instability and the rise of various armed groups. The country has since been struggling to find a stable and unified government.
Yes, you're right. The country has been divided between two rival administrations, the UN-backed Government of National Accord (NA) in Tripoli and the Libyan National Army (LNA), led by General Haftar in the east. This division has led to ongoing conflicts and hindered the country's progress.
The involvement of external actors has further complicated the situation. Various countries and regional powers have supported different factions, adding fuel to the fire. It's like a geopolitical chess game, with Libya at the center.
Absolutely. The international involvement has made it challenging for Libyans to chart their own course. The United Nations has been trying to mediate peace talks and establish a unified government, but it's easier said than done, given the deep-rooted divisions and external interests at play.
It's interesting to see how the regional dynamics have influenced the political situation in Libya. Countries like Egypt, Turkey, and the UAE have backed different groups, often based on their own strategic interests. This external interference has prolonged the conflict and made it difficult for Libyans to find a sustainable solution.
Indeed, regional players have their own agendas, and sometimes those agendas clash, leading to further complications. The issue of control over Libya's vast oil resources has also been a significant factor in the conflict, with different factions vying for control, adding economic dimensions to the political struggle.
The economic aspect is crucial. Libya has the largest proven oil reserves in Africa, making it a valuable asset for any political faction. Controlling these resources not only provides economic power, but also influences the country's political dynamics. It's a complex web of politics, economics, and power struggles.
Absolutely. The economic factor is deeply intertwined with the political situation. The revenue from oil exports can be a catalyst for development if managed properly, but it can also be a source of corruption and instability if misused. Establishing transparent and accountable economic policies is essential for Libya's future stability.
I've also been following the efforts to hold elections in Libya as part of the UN-backed peace process. Elections could potentially pave the way for a unified government, but organizing them in a divided and conflict-ridden country is a monumental challenge. The question remains, can elections truly bring stability, or will they further exacerbate existing tensions?
That's a crucial question. Elections have the potential to provide a legitimate and representative government, but they need to be conducted in a free, fair, and inclusive manner. Ensuring the safety of voters, candidates, and election officials is paramount. Additionally, there should be a strong focus on civic education to empower the Libyan population to make informed choices.
I completely agree. Civic education is key to fostering a culture of democracy and political participation. It can help citizens understand their rights and responsibilities, enabling them to make informed decisions during elections. Building democratic institutions and promoting a culture of dialogue are also essential steps toward achieving political stability.
Absolutely. Fostering dialogue and reconciliation among different Libyan factions is vital. Addressing the grievances and concerns of various communities can build trust and pave the way for national unity. It's not just about political agreements. It's also about social cohesion and healing the wounds of the past.
True, reconciliation efforts should involve not only political leaders, but also civil society, tribal leaders, and other influential figures. The diversity within Libyan society should be respected and celebrated, and efforts should be made to bridge the gaps between different communities. Only through genuine dialogue and understanding can a lasting peace be achieved.
You're absolutely right. It's a long and challenging process, but it's necessary for the future of Libya. The international community can support these efforts by providing diplomatic assistance, humanitarian aid, and expertise in areas such as governance, security sector reform, and economic development. A coordinated and sustained international approach can complement the internal efforts of the Libyan people.
Definitely. International support, especially from organizations like the United Nations, can play a significant role in facilitating dialogue and providing technical assistance. However, it's essential for the Libyan people to be at the center of these efforts. Their voices, aspirations, and concerns should guide the path forward. Without genuine grassroots involvement, any political solution might remain fragile.
I couldn't agree more. The ownership of the peace process by the Libyan people is fundamental. Their active participation and engagement in shaping the future of their country will determine the success of any political arrangement. It's a challenging journey, but with determination, dialogue, and international support, Libya can overcome its current challenges and build a stable, prosperous, and democratic future.
Absolutely. Let's hope that the people of Libya can overcome these challenges and build a better future for themselves and future generations. It's going to be a difficult road, but history has shown that nations can emerge stronger after periods of turmoil. With the right efforts and international solidarity, Libya can find its path to stability and prosperity.
Well said. The resilience of the Libyan people and their rich history and culture are strong foundations upon which to build. It will require collective efforts, patience, and perseverance, but I believe that Libya can indeed overcome its current challenges. Here's to hoping for a peaceful and prosperous future for Libya and its people.